Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to cut a dragon fruit. As you can see, this is a dragon fruit. So first you need to wash it properly. I already washed this one. So as you can see, and now we will need to cut it the proper way and the easy way. So stay tuned to the video. So first of all, you should cut the edges. So I will cut it. As you can see, like this, you can see the inside, the pulp, and from the other side as well. You need to cut it a bit more. So okay, once you cut it like this, then you can cut it right at the middle. Wow, it looks great. It looks juicy and it looks great. So after cutting it at the middle, you can just simply peel it. You'll peel the skin off like this, and it's ready to eat. And I will peel the skin from the second part as well. We have to remove it. So we already removed the skin. Now you can cut it into small pieces like that, and you can serve it. You can make it like more small pieces. So that is the easiest way to cut a dragon fruit. Now I will just take a bite. Wow, it's really delicious, and it's like juicy, full of juice. You can try that at your home. And this is the easiest way to cut the dragon fruit. Thank you for watching the video. For more interesting and informative video, please like and subscribe our channel. I will see you next time. Thank you.
Take my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world of make-believe.